Here's a quick tip. When you're plotting your drawing, verify that your layout tab name matches your sheet name. Click the print button and then make sure the plotter style is selected is the CVLX PDF, and then the full-size Civil Logistics Full-Size 1 for site and grading plans, and Civil Logistics Full-Size 2 for erosion and utility plans. Verify that the size is 36 by 24, which is this one here. And we already have the plot area defined in the layout tab. You'll want to have plot transparency selected, and then simply click OK. Then you're going to get a print dialog box. It defaults to having temp in here, and that's so that when you're just printing things and taking a look at it, we know that we can look in the file directory and the plot directory and see that it has temp, and we can later just delete all those. But if you're going to send it out to the client, uncheck this, and then it's going to have the more official name. Hit OK. You'll get a preview of what it looks like, and you can close it. And if you go to your plots tab, it's automatically going to show up in there, right there, ready for you to copy and paste to the client.